The city's Engineering Services Department, in partnership with the Public Works Department, is currently working on 3 major street projects. The Revive the Drive Ocean Drive Rehabilitation Project spans from Ennis-Joslin Road to Interstate 37 downtown. The plan focuses on restoring the city's most popular seaside route and will improve mobility and connectivity. The $12.8 million project includes 3 layers of roadway, which includes removal of 6 inches of existing pavement material, installing 4 inches of structural asphalt base, and overlaying 2 inches of the final roadway surface. Traffic control, pavement markings, bicycle lane markings, and new signage are also part of the improvements. Construction is currently underway for the section between Ennis-Joslin Road to Robert Drive. This segment is approximately 2.3 miles in length and is about 40% complete. The project is scheduled to be completed by October 2021. The next project, which began in January 2020, is Morgan Avenue. This project is divided into 2 sections: CROSSTOWN Expressway to Staples Street, a bond project worth $6.3 million, and Staples Street to Ocean Drive, also a bond project worth $5.2 million. The project scope consists of new sidewalks, ADA ramps, curbs, gutters, asphalt roadway, and underground utilities. This project is currently on schedule and approximately 70% complete. The third project is Ayers Street. This construction project also started in January 2020 and includes new stormwater culverts, new sidewalk, ADA ramps, curbs, gutters, driveway adjustments, signal improvements, roadway widening to add a center turn lane, new roadway asphalt, and underground utilities. The project is divided into 2 phases. Phase 1, which includes the southbound lanes from South Padre Island Drive to Galahar Road, is expected to be completed in April 2021. Phase 2 will include the northbound lanes from South Padre Island Drive to Galahar Road. For the latest updates on all city road projects, you can visit www.cctexas.com/streetinfo.